Now, first you have the dollar index. It came to our area. This is what I want to highlight. This is a breakout structure, right? With a three wave. Now, the most important thing, for those that are still new here, this is what I'm looking for, a very, very impulsive movement down. It can do it here, right here, or at the completion of the third movement, that they can do that. Now, because of this, breaking over here, creating a change of structure right over here, and also confirming a trend. If you put your entry at the 50% level, yeah, you actually saw price coming down, giving you a 1-to-1 right over here, and basically at this point of time, giving you a 2-to-1 return. Okay, before price started to move up once again, right? So just want to let you know, even if you were to target, right, if you were to target 1-to-1, the accuracy is pretty high. So you can actually just put your targets right here and maybe risk something higher, something in the region to 2 to 3%. That's workable for you if you just want to work in short term. And if you notice, every week there will be a couple of trades, and at the end of the month it could be a sizable return. So the next another trade was the dollar yen, right? Dollar yen, you can see it made one more high, and the impulse move came in, creating a change of structure, and it retraced right over here, came down, went back up again, almost giving you a heart attack before coming down, giving you your 1-to-1 profit, and then taking you out later on right over here. But at least, like I said, it secured your 1-to-1 profit easily. Okay, so that's another trade right over here. Then we have the New Zealand dollar trade right there. And you can see this is a clearly very impulsive move from this downside. And then there was equally impulsive move to the downside right over here that could give you some jitters and thinking that, wow, is this thing going to come and take out the stop loss? Now, the market then proceeded to trade sideways for quite a while before going up, hitting your targets next day. Okay, so that's how the New Zealand dollar trade took up went. And you had the dollar index trade as well. We were first selling it, then from a low area it hit our level that we were looking at, and from there you can see this is a three-wave movement. 1, 2, 3, one down at your 50% level, and straight away up, came down, up straight away, giving you a 1-to-1. But this one was a runaway. Okay, because if your entry is at 50, this is your 1-to-1, this is your 2-to-1, and then this is your 3-to-1, 4-to-1, and then this is your 5-to-1, and then this is your 6-to-1, and it's still going up, right? So this is a runaway trade right over here. But if you still target only a 1-to-1 and just want to be consistent, it's fine, because not every time you have a runaway. They do come, but in a month, probably once or twice, you can get this kind of things. Yeah, we'll see. And we had the euro dollar, which was the opposite of the dollar index, right? If that one trigger, this one most likely will trigger. You have an impulsive move down, retracement up to the 50% level, and this one just came in, hitting down here, and yeah, went down all the way. Okay, so yeah, so it has continued to actually come down. Currently, the price here has dropped another 100 pips from this low already. Okay, so Yeah, was also another runaway, because basically what happened, this was trend trading. Okay, this is just following a trend. We had an impulse move earlier on, correction for another down move, right?